Assalamu alaikum. Good morning, students, and welcome to Growbig online classes. Uh, Last week, I took a test of class 5 students. So, many of you didn't appear for the test. I don't know why. Out of 46, only 21 students appeared. So, you can, well, I'll be taking a test again. So, kindly prepare. I'll be sending you the details later on. Okay. As far as the PW is concerned, even PW, many of you have not sent. So kindly send it to me today before 7 p.m. Okay. And today I will be completing the next part of the chapter. Okay. But before that, as you all know, today is 11th of May, and I'll be giving you the PW. I'll be sending you the PDFs of question answers. So you will be completing it and sending it to me before 17th of May. I repeat, before 17th of May. Okay. So we were doing our lesson number 2. Okay, reproduction in plants. Okay. So let's recall chapter 2, and this is part 2 we are doing reproduction in plants. Let's recall what we have learned in our previous class. The ability of living things to produce more of their own kind is called reproduction. Plants reproduce through seeds in number of ways. Okay, as I have explained you last time, that plants can reproduce through two methods. They can reproduce by seeds, and some plants can reproduce through body parts like roots, stems, leaves. This I will be explaining you in details in this part. Okay. A seed contain the process by which a seed grows from a seed into a seedling is called germination. I have explained you germination in detail in my last class. Okay, children. Dispersal and its agents. The process of dispersal is carried out by agents like wind, water, animals, and explosions. Dispersal means the plants. Okay, they cannot move on their own. So what happens? Some agents dispersal, they carry their seeds to other places through wind, water, animals, and explosion. Okay, so let's continue with the next with the other topics of the same chapter, reproduction in plants. Okay, as I have told you that plants that reproduce through body parts, okay, example roots, the sweet potato, stem, rose, and leaves, aloe vera, or Bryophyllum. Okay, so we will learn more about it now. Sweet potato, okay, it's a root. The sweet potato is the root of a sweet potato plant. Can you see down below the ground? Yes, these are the roots, and sweet potato grows under ground, below the ground. The plant does not produce any seed and reproduces through the root itself. As I have explained you, body part, root is a body part of a plant, of course, right, children? So it reproduces through the root itself. Can you see the pictures? Roots, many roots, and they are the plant, the sweet potato is growing on that, on those roots, right? It grows out of the root of the mother plant. Okay? Sweet potato, it grows out of the mother plant. Okay. Now reproduction from other parts in plants, that is stem. Potato grows on a stem. Ginger grows on a stem. Turmeric, haldi, जिसे हम कहते हैं हिंदी में, it grows on a stem. Okay. A common example of plants that grow from stem is potato. Okay. And the potato is an underground stem and that stores food. It stores food in itself. It has buds. Now let's see. Look, it has birds known as eyes on it, from where new plants can arise. Can you see the picture of the potato having these leaf-like structures coming out of the potato? Okay, these are called potato eyes, and a new plant is can arise from these eyes. Okay, see now how it grows. Each one of this will grow into a new potato if it receives ideal growth conditions. ओके, ये जो सारी ब्रांचेस निकल रही हैं पोटैटो में से, ये सब पोटैटो ही बन जाते हैं. ओके, लेकिन इनके लिए आइडियल ग्रोथ कंडीशंस होनी चाहिए. टेम्परेचर, सॉइल, वाटर, एवरीथिंग एप्रोप्रिएट होना चाहिए. ओके चिल्ड्रन. Other example of stem is onion, ginger. Okay, rose and hibiscus. Can you see the plant? Rose and hibiscus. Some plants like rose and hibiscus grow through stem cuttings. They grow through stem cuttings. Now just have a look at the picture of the stem. Okay, देखिए जो रोज प्लांट की स्टेम्स होती हैं वो काट के और आप कहीं और दूसरे पॉट में लगाएंगे तो प्लांट ग्रो हो जाएगा. सो ये भी एक बॉडी पार्ट है स्टेम प्लांट का, जिससे कि रिप्रोडक्शन प्लांट्स में होता है. दूसरे प्लांट सेम काइंड के ग्रो हो जाते हैं. Okay. Now, next example, plants such as Birophyllum reproduce through buds. ये एक plant है, Birophyllum leaf है. Birophyllum plant की leaf है. Okay. Or Birophyllum plant can reproduce through a small bird-like growths at the edge of their leaves. Can you see the circled picture? These are the edges of the leaves, and this plant reproduces through bud-like growths. These bud-like growths here, can you see? Yes, at the edge of their leaves, and then they turn into another plant. These buds fall off from the leaves and then grow into new plants. Okay, children, this is how the leaves part of the plant, body part of the plant, leaf, and how the other plants like are reproduced from these leaves. Okay, these birds बायरोफिलम की, ओके, इनकी लीफ से ही ग्रो होती हैं. Plants provide food, okay, and how I'll be showing you and how helpful it is. See, plants provide food, oxygen, medicine, timber, etc. to us. We grow plants on a large scale, okay, so that we can get enough food and other products to fulfill our needs. ठीक है, ये जो practice है, this practice of growing plants on a large scale for food or other products is called agriculture. Okay, children. ये जो प्रैक्टिस होती है, जो फूड और फ्रूट्स और अदर क्रॉप्स को हम लार्ज स्केल पे ग्रो करते हैं, इसे कहते हैं एग्रीकल्चर. For example, in a particular field, you will see only wheat plants or only rice plants. You will never find a field in which all plants are of different kinds. These plants are known as crops. Okay? और जो पर्टिकुलर एरिया में क्रॉप्स ग्रो करते हैं उसे हम फार्म कहते हैं. ऑफ कोर्स जो पर्सन ग्रो करता है क्रॉप, उसको हम फार्मर कहते हैं. ओके, सो लेट्स मूव ऑन. Most living things depend upon plants for food and nutrition. This is what I explained you just now. Plants that are grown in large numbers are called crops. ये मैंने आपको अभी बताया. You can see through pictures also. But to grow these plants, these crops, okay, we should keep in mind certain things. Of course, to grow, requirements for crops to grow are important requirements. Are first of all temperature, soil, very important, water and sunlight. Okay, so these are very important things required to grow crops. Okay, now like just as I told you that different fields, different plants grow in different fields. Okay, So different crops grow in well in different types of soils. Rice need a this field which I am showing you in the picture. It's the field of a rice. Okay, rice needs a hot and wet climate and plenty of water. Okay, now a rice crop needs clayey soil that can hold more water. क्योंकि गीले में और पानी में होता है चावल राइस क्रॉप, इसलिए उसको क्लेई मतलब कि दलदली सी जमीन चाहिए होती है क्रॉप को, क्योंकि वो उस जमीन में पानी ज्यादा देर तक रुकता है, जो कि प्लांट को ग्रो करने में हेल्प करता है. ओके, नाउ ज्वार, बाजरा, ओके, दे नीड सैंडी सॉइल. डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करने में डिफरेंट टाइप ऑफ सॉइल्स भी चाहिए होती है. ओके, तो राइस को क्लेई सॉइल चाहिए होती है ग्रो होने के लिए, और ज्वार एंड बाजरा क्रॉप नीड्स सैंडी सॉइल टू ग्रो. ओके, these are the different conditions. Okay, now other examples of that: wheat, cauliflower, beans and carrot need cool climate. इन चीजों को ठंडे क्लाइमेट में ग्रो होने की जरूरत होती है इन क्रॉप्स को. ओके, जैसे कि व्हीट है, कॉलीफ्लावर है, बीन्स है, कैरेट है, दे नीड अ कूल क्लाइमेट. ओके, अनदर एग्जांपल फॉर दैट इज कैबेज, रेडिश, पीस एंड टर्निप. ओके, नाउ मेजर्स टेकन टू गेट गुड क्वालिटी फार्म प्रोड्यूस. अब जो अच्छा हमें क्रॉप मिले, अच्छा हमें फूड मिले, उसके लिए कुछ मेजर्स भी फार्मर्स को लेने होते हैं. ओके, एंड दोज आर important factors for growing crops: good climate, adequate sunlight, water, and good quality soil. Very important measures a farmer should take or to grow crops. Okay, which in the end we buy. Okay, now good quality seeds should be procured from the government outlets or preserved from the last crop. यानी कि आपको गुड सीड्स, अगर आपको कोई अच्छा क्रॉप ग्रो करना है लार्ज क्वांटिटी में, लार्ज स्केल पर, तो आपको उसके बीज यानी कि सीड्स आपको या तो गवर्नमेंट से परचेस करने चाहिए, या फिर जो आपके पुराने लास्ट क्रॉप जो आपका आया था उसमें से बचे हुए क्रॉप सीड्स हैं, वो भी आप यूज कर सकते हैं. ओके, different crops grow in different season, as I have told you. Okay, it is very important to use good quality seeds, otherwise we will not obtain a good and healthy crop. That's why I have told you to get it from the government or from the last place. Okay, now second measure to be taken for the good quality farm produce is soil should be properly plugged and manure or fertilizers should be according to the nature of the soil. जिस तरह का आपका सॉइल है उसी तरह का उस सॉइल में क्रॉप ग्रो करना चाहिए. अगर आप सैंडी सॉइल में क्लेई सॉइल वाला क्रॉप ग्रो करेंगे तो नहीं होगा. So that's why according to the soil the seeds should be used to reproduce the other crops. Okay, of course plants should be watered properly, as I have shown you in the factors, what factors they required to grow a good kind of crop. There I have told you that water, sunlight, okay, these are the main important factors. The field where crop is growing should be properly irrigated, watered, otherwise the crop may dry and die. अगर आप उसका पानी से ध्यान से ख्याल नहीं करेंगे तो वो सूख जाएगा ना, और सूखने के बाद क्या होगा, जाहिर है प्लांट मर जाएगा. Okay, it will die. Crops to be grown should be selected as per the type of the soil. I have told you this. Okay. Now, important thing. Okay, the crop is prone to damage by pests, birds, grazing animals, and diseases. It can be protected, okay, by protection of crops from pests and insecticides attacks and being eaten by herbivores, right? So it should be the following are the ways a crop should be what protected. Okay, proper fencing. Okay, first point, spraying chemicals called insecticides and pesticides, using scarecrows in the fields, and storing the harvest crop. So मिनिमम यूज ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड्स एंड फर्टिलाइजर्स स्प्रे, इस तरह से खेतों में स्प्रे होता है. ओके. एंड नॉट लीस्ट बट द लास्ट, प्रॉपर स्टोरेज ऑफ हार्वेस्टेड क्रॉप. ओके. यानी कि जो क्रॉप ग्रो किया है उसको प्रॉपर तरीके से स्टोर करना चाहिए. So this is all in our chapter now. Okay, so children, please do your whatever PW I will be sending, posting it. You should continue. Okay, and send it to me before 16th of May. Please send it, and I'll be taking test in coming week. Okay, and I'll be informing you about the test also. Thank you so much. See you inshallah, and talk to you later.